Many districts in Bihar are facing a flood-like situation due to sudden rise in the water level of River Gandak after unprecedented rainfall. People are being forced to leave their villages and home and move to safer areas. Watch this ground report coming in.
As far as one can see, only devastation. Incessant rains have led to floods in several parts of Bengal and Bihar. The magnitude of the crisis can be understood by these images on your screen. A makeshift bridge washed away in seconds in Bengal's Khatal district. Just a few meters away, this desperate attempt to cross the raging waters didn't go as one would have hoped. The situation isn't too different in Bihar. An orange alert is sounded in the state as Gandak River along the India-Nepal border flows way above the danger level. In Purvi Champaran district, these villagers have to wade through knee-deep water to get to the safety. Their tractors fearing whatever floods have left behind.
में जो है सारा पानी भर रहा है। अब उसके चलते हम लोग यहाँ से खाली करके जा रहे हैं। माल जाल सब लेके हम लोग जा रहे हैं। अब जाके इधर रोड पे ही रहेंगे। अब कहाँ जाएंगे?
The fury of floods isn't limited to Bengal and Bihar. In Meghalaya, Indian Navy divers are racing against time to save 5 miners who got trapped after flood water gushed into the coal pit on 30th of May. So far, divers have retrieved 1 body and search for other 4 is underway. With Sujit Jha in Bihar and Anupam in West Bengal, Bureau Report, India Today.